Hi there, in this video I will talk about little bit, not in deep but just a little bit, to give a right answer to the interviewer. What are the differences between below Windows 7, 10 and 11 options: log out, log off, sign out and lock screen? Well, log out, log off and sign out, these three things are same. The name is given differently but the functions are same. When you log out, of course, whatever running in the machine, that will be closed out. Those application would be closed out and your machine would be log off, log out or sign out. Lock screen, something is different, like you just shift this app. Let's say you are just wanted to go away for some time from your desk. So what you do, you will not log off your machine because you wanted to log in back again to work. All right, so in that case we will just log the screen, not log out or log off or sign out. Well, log off option we will get only in Windows 7, that is now outdated, but of course we have log out sign out option you can see in the Windows 10, 11. So let's look at some example. So this is my Windows 10 machine. Let me run something, Edge browser, and what else I can, setting option. Okay, so right now what I will do, I will log out from the machine. So right click on the start menu, go to this option and sign out. So now I'm getting here sign out. That what that mean is log off or either log out, that is same. Okay, so sign out. Now what happened, whatever the application was running earlier inside my account, that will be completely closed out. Okay, so let's log in and let's look at. All right, so now you don't see anything which is running earlier. Okay, so when you lock the screen, everything would be the same. All right, browser, one explorer. Now I will just lock the screen. Okay, now it just locked the screen. I just wanted to back again on my desk and I just wanted to continue the work till end of my day. Okay, so let's log in again. I'm just back. So difference between sign out, log out, and what else, the lock screen. Lock screen is different between log out, log off and sign out. So lock screen, something which you can use while you just wanted to go away sometime from the desk. Okay, while you're working in the company, you just wanted to go away from the desk, you wanted to away from the desk for some time and just wanted to come back to continue the work. Okay, so that time what you will do, you will select lock screen. When you do log out, when you just completely, you just wanted to leave for the day. Okay, so log out, log off, sign off, whatever option you will get, but make sure when you're answering this question, log out, log off and sign out, these three options are same, not to be confused, they are same. Okay, the lock screen, something is different, just your screen would be locked and all application whatever it is running, that will be remain same once you logged in back again. Okay, all right, if you have any question, just put the comment and I would happy to answer you. Thank you.